Hello and welcome to another update on global trade policies and their potential impacts on commodities and markets. Today, we'll be discussing a recent report from Bank of America, BofA, on US tariffs, specifically on imports from Canada, Mexico, and China, and what these developments could mean for the economy. Bank of America analysts suggest that the tariffs imposed by the US on Canadian and Mexican imports are likely to be short-term measures. These tariffs, 25% on imports from Canada and Mexico, and 10% on Canadian energy products, are expected to create temporary disruptions. This move is seen more as a negotiation tactic rather than a permanent change in US trade policy. But what are the factors that suggest these tariffs may eventually be rolled back? First, the economic impact on US businesses is significant. Rising costs due to tariffs can lead to resistance from American companies that rely on goods from Canada and Mexico. This could push the US to reconsider its stance and potentially reduce tariffs. The tight integration of supply chains across North America further supports the idea that these tariffs may not last long. North American manufacturers rely on goods from each other to maintain efficient production processes, and prolonged tariffs could disrupt this delicate balance. Lastly, from a political perspective, Canada and Mexico may be more inclined to comply with US demands on important issues like migration and drug control. This could ease tensions and lead to the removal of the tariffs once certain political objectives are met. BofA predicts these tariffs will remain in place until a revised United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, or USMCA, is negotiated. On the other hand, the situation with China is quite different. BofA analysts view the tariffs on Chinese imports as part of a long-term US policy strategy. This follows the steps of the 2018 trade war measures and is expected to continue indefinitely. The current tariffs on Chinese goods, which include a 10% tariff and the removal of the de minimis exemption, are part of a broader geopolitical stance that sees China as a long-term challenge for the US. Analysts predict that average tariff rates on Chinese goods could increase by as much as 20 percentage points, and while some exemptions might emerge, a full rollback of these tariffs is unlikely. Bank of America's CEO, Brian Moynihan, has voiced support for the US trade strategy, stating that tariffs in the range of 10 to 15% are unlikely to significantly impact inflation or economic growth in the long run. This suggests that the US is prepared to maintain its tough stance against China, with ongoing negotiations with Canada and Mexico. To sum up, while the US tariffs on Canada and Mexico are likely to be temporary and part of a negotiation process, the tariffs on Chinese imports are expected to stay in place as part of a long-term strategy. The global trade landscape is continually shifting, and these tariffs will play a key role in shaping the economic environment in the coming years. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis on how these developments could impact global commodity markets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and analysis on commodities from Ajay Stromaniguru.